Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. Man, I got something special for you today. A 1982 Sunline travel trailer that, to be 42 years old, is in excellent shape. I wasn't in this good shape at 42 years old. I guarantee you that. Yeah, and even the stripes and stuff are in great shape. Yeah, this thing is in great shape, and it was the original seller was Setzer's in Barbersville, West Virginia. I'm assuming, or they had it at some point. They're still in business. Sunline customer Googled that a while ago. They're out of Pennsylvania. It's a company out of Pennsylvania built this. She's probably about a 24-footer or so. But let's go inside. Here we are inside. And this guy loves it. She's like, I'm an antique doll myself. And just kind of like me, I'm an antique. But I mean, yeah, it ain't perfect. But I love these old campers because there's a bunk bed. There's a bunk bed. This makes a bed. Back here's a bed. There's another bunk bed. These old campers would sleep a ton of people. And everything seems to work. The air conditioner is probably original. It was awesome. 22-degree differential between the intake and the exhaust. Perfect. The fridge seems like it's going to cool. Commode even holds water. Let's see if it's still holding water. It's been about an hour. Yep. Commode even holds water. They're not going to use the propane system at all. It doesn't even have tanks on it, so they said don't fool with that. So I don't know if the furnace and stuff worked, but wouldn't shock me if it didn't work just perfect. But yeah, this thing's pretty awesome for its age. I guess I could show you in here, huh? Commode needs clean, but it is also it has also been setting for the last 10 years. Has not been used for 10 years, but it was in a garage. So these folks picked it up. They're gonna pull it. They're gonna pull it down to Lake Stevens and leave it parked down there for the whole summer, maybe for the rest of its life. And yeah, I just thought I'd show you all this real quick. I'd done a little bit of work on the roof and replaced the sewer vent, and took some of the old flashing off around the crank up vents and redid that, and checked the rest of it out and didn't do nothing. Yeah, this is pretty cool too. Supposedly that microwave is original to the camper from 1982. It's a Sharp half pint. So I was pretty shocked at what kind of shape this thing's actually in. So